Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So this one we have a minus bs square. Next we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square in here. You got about 2u du. First derivative of s square we have 2s. This is about the constant. So if we do first derivative, you got about 0 in here. Next, because we don't have negative number 2b in here, so we need to divide both sides by negative 2b. So this one we change by u. S, the s we change by this one. So u divided by u, we have number 1. And then I will put negative sign in here. The integration of du, we have u. And then we put about c. That is about the constant. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.